Do not advise anyone except if they've asked you for your advice and guidance. Are you new to my channel? Please subscribe and click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. Follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82, Instagram is @Nora, Twitter is at Nora Charimpa. So without further ado, let's get into this video. They are these people who secretly compete with you, who secretly hate you. They hate your advice. Your advice to them feels like you are criticizing who they are. You are criticizing their life. Your advice reminds them of how they have failed in life. You are living the kind of life they would want to live, but they can't. Because of the choices they made, because of the wrong decisions they made. You are their definition of success. So because of that, they unconsciously copy you because they view you as their role model. Although they don't want to admit it, they size you up. If you buy a car, they will look for ways of getting one. Even if they fall into debt, their debt burden becomes higher and higher. They will do anything in their power to be like you. If you climb a mountain, they climb. If you jump a hole, they jump. They copy and paste your holiday destinations. They go back to school in an attempt to minimize the education gap between you and them. Even if it means acquiring a fake doctorate from a street fake university, they'll do it. Because all they want is they have to get your title by hook or by crook. They start avoiding you. If you used to call them on phone, they will start to dodge your phone calls. Most people who live in darkness fear and hate your advice because your advice shines a light on their dark areas, on their weak areas, on their bad areas. And they don't want you to expose their ignorance and failures, even if you are exposing it to them. Sometimes superstitious people cannot even afford my advice and my teachings because I demand people to take responsibility and not to blame fate and supernatural powers. I demand people to be accountable to me. I want to follow up to see what you've done, what has changed, how has it changed. People only take their own advice. Seasoned life coaches and counselors know how to ask the hard questions to clarify their thoughts and actions. For example, even the advice you see me posting publicly on my YouTube channel is not for a particular individual. I don't come here and I pinpoint a name that this advice is for so and so. I don't do that. I know it's going to help many who search for it because at that particular time they need it. They are ready to receive it. Their brains are searching for an answer for it. It is rather a teaching of mass consumption for many people to enjoy, to consume, to use, to take in. I'm someone who engages people a bit differently with advice and questions, life stories, so that they pick out solutions to their life situations, so that they feel accountable to themselves for the choices they've made in life, for the decisions they've made in life. So, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you get notified. Yes. If you'd like any of our products, go to noraarake.com/shop and follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82, Instagram is @Nora, Twitter is at Nora Charimpa. If you'd like any custom designed cloth or attire, costume, follow at Faith Peters on Instagram, or like the page Faith Peters on Facebook. Contact her and order any dress design you want, any custom designed cloth, attire, costume, because they are good. They dress me, for example. If you'd like any of my outfit in any of my videos, just go to Faith Peters. You'll be sorted. Thank you so much. I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.